Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
What are my kings and queens? It's your boy, Kings 23 Kicks, back in the building, up in the castle, finna make it happen for y'all again. What's up, my kingdom? What's up, my kingdom? Today, we're gonna keep it short and sweet, but just like it says in the bottom of the description, just had to do a quick little haul, man. You know what I'm saying? Doing, not necessarily an unboxing, but you know, like I did my Puma haul last time. You know what I'm saying? So, boy, you know, shout out to Puma. You know what I'm saying? I do like the Puma. They are very comfortable. Adidas, you know, Yeezys, all that type of stuff. If y'all just now tuning into my videos, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in for another video. You know, I do these videos every now and then, you know, something to get outside of doing the normal stuff of sneakers and stuff like that. So for y'all be tuning in for my vlogs and stuff I do with my bike club, I appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying, for watching those videos, that type of stuff. But hey, I've been doing a lot of pickups, and I figured it's time for me to show y'all the latest stuff that I've been grabbing, man. So some of this stuff is Puma, some of it's Nike, Jordan, whatever the case may be, but you know, it is what it is. But you know, grab me another little Puma shirt, you know what I'm saying? It's like this little gray type dry fit. I'm liking this one. Pretty smooth, real simple. Oh, I just realized I can see that like it has a different design on it. I didn't realize that when I grabbed it. So yeah, that one, another navy blue one, pretty nice. I like that one. Puma across the top, across it. Nothing on the back on that one. Another white one just like that blue one. Puma going across that one, nothing on the back. I really do like these shirts, man. These I guess they're like dry fit, but pretty cool, man. Gotta have some army green up in there, man. And I did order some more Pumas, went on the website and grabbed some more stuff. They be having sales and stuff, and I do like grabbing those. Hey, do keep in mind, man, you know what I'm saying? I am doing that 500 subscriber giveaway. Make sure that you guys follow the instructions in that video. You know what I'm saying? So I will put it up here. I think it goes up here, wherever. I will put it up there so you guys can click on it. Make sure that you get that video, follow the instructions on that video. 500 subscribers, once I reach that goal, I will be giving away 50 bucks on that. One of many giveaways that I think I'll be doing or something. You know, I like to give back, you know what I'm saying? Because I do appreciate everybody tuning in. I do appreciate my subscribers, even though, you know what I'm saying, we're just starting off, but you know what? We're going to be that foundation. So everybody that's been joining and subscribing and watching my videos, know that you are the foundation to the kingdom, and we're about to build this castle. You know what I'm saying? So it's coming soon. Oh, and do keep in mind, I do want to address that one of my a few of my people wants me to do a collection video. Do keep in mind that I will be doing that, but I am moving soon. So I figured after I move and I get everything situated, that's what I'll just try to get one of those collection videos together, man. So don't think that I'm avoiding it, you know what I'm saying? This one is another little Jordan shirt, black, red, with the Wings logo. Actually, just thought about that. This is gonna go good with those satin ones that I'm hoping I'm gonna grab this weekend. So this is definitely going with that. What is this? Jordan shirt, Flight. Pretty good, pretty simple. I grab a lot of shirts, man. Gotta grab a lot of shirts. Because you gotta have the gear that's gonna go with these. You know what I'm saying? Grab this one here is for, what the crap? Okay, so looking on the back, I don't know why it's tied up like that. That's just weird. I've never seen that before. Anyway, that's to go with these reflective 6s. Yeah. Did grab a shirt for the Bred 11s. Grab a black one versus grabbing a white one because I feel like the black one was better. Pretty sure you guys have seen that, but definitely gonna be doing it. Plus, I like the fact that it had this at the bottom of the shirt, which is like this little rubbery logo type thing. So I was really feeling this shirt when I went and grabbed my 11s, and yet still I think I might go back and go grab the white one. I like that one. Yep, another Nike mashup shirt. Really liking that one too. That's why I went here and grabbed it. Oh yeah, I forgot about the bag on What the Fours. So y'all already know this one was for my What the Fours, which I've yet to unds or whatever. And I grabbed some socks. So that was pretty much it as far as like the clothing haul. The next thing that I did want to do is keep in mind that Soul Premise is doing a 50% off flash sale, and they're only doing that today. So if you guys know who Soul Premise is, Soul Premise is you know, they have these sneaker type backpacks where you can put in a bunch of shoes while you know, do your traveling. So I went ahead and grabbed me one, and in no way, shape, or form sponsoring me or anything like that. But Soul Premise, if you are, hey, Anthony, I got you. You know what I'm saying? You want to sponsor? Hey, I can hook you up. But I did grab one of these red ones. And like I said, they're doing a 50% off flash sale right now. Today only. What is today? January 16th. So hopefully I get this up and you guys see that they're doing a 50% off sale right now. I advise you definitely jump on it because honestly, I think I want to jump on another one. But I went ahead and grabbed one of these red ones, man. This thing here, man, is nice. You can put up to 5 pair of shoes off in it, and the leather on here is just buttery. So put a pair of kicks in there. Y'all know I wear a size 12, so you already know these are going in there. So I have right, so has a pair of kicks in there, man. So it is TSA approved as they say. But I definitely had to grab one of these, man. And my man's kept telling me, Anthony kept telling me, hey, Green, grab you one. And yeah. So the next time I be hitting up SneakerCon and stuff like that, y'all gonna see me with one of these bad boys, man. So I'm not gonna get into it, but hey, y'all definitely hit up Soul Premise. You know what I'm saying? Hit them people up, man, for the bags. So right now, like I said, they're doing a 50% off sale today only. I got the email, I got the text message, and I've got other stuff from Soul Premise, man, but this is why I like messing with these bags. Real nice, pretty good. But until the next video, hey, like I say, y'all make sure that you guys stay tuned in. You know what I'm saying, for the next stuff, next sneaker drops. Been getting a lot of feedback on my videos, a lot of stuff going on like that. I greatly appreciate it. Y'all know I love chopping it up in the comments. I love interacting with my people because you guys are my support. You guys are my helpers, and without y'all, I wouldn't be able to do this. So I greatly appreciate y'all. I don't want to keep going off into the video. We're almost like 9 minutes into it. And it was like, dang, where the shoes? We ain't doing anything. As I say, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. And y'all already know what I always say to all my kings. Stand up, rule your kingdom. And all my queens, make sure that you stand beside your king. And always, always, always remember, it's always the right time to do the right